Have you ever wondered what sets the tone for the world's largest democracy? What provides a direction to the legal machinery of India? It's the Preamble to the Indian Constitution. A seemingly small but potent piece of text, the Preamble encapsulates the ideals, objectives, and basic principles of the Indian Constitution. The story of the Preamble begins on the 26th of January, 1950, a day of immense significance in Indian history. This was the day when the Indian Constitution, the longest written constitution in the world, came into effect. The Preamble was adopted on this day, marking the birth of a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The Preamble, in essence, is the preface to the Constitution. It is the mirror reflecting the ideals and aspirations of the people of India. It commences with the powerful and inclusive phrase, "We, the people of India," signifying that power is ultimately vested in the hands of the Indian populace. The adoption of the Preamble was not just an act of formality, but a declaration of the values that would guide this newborn nation. It declared India to be a sovereign entity, free from external control, with the power to conduct its internal affairs without interference. By asserting India to be socialist, it emphasized the aim to secure social, economic, and political justice, eliminating inequality. The term secular in the Preamble assures freedom of religion to all citizens, reflecting the country's rich diversity in faiths, beliefs, and practices. The Preamble's commitment to democracy ensures a government constituted by the people, for the people, and of the people, ensuring the right to vote to every adult citizen without discrimination. Furthermore, the Preamble enshrines the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These are not just lofty ideals, but tangible goals that the Constitution strives to achieve for its citizens. In 7 concise lines, the Preamble encapsulates the spirit of the Indian Constitution. But remember, it is more than just an introduction. It is a commitment, a promise that the Indian state makes to its citizens, a testament to the values that we as a nation hold dear. To summarize, the Preamble of the Indian Constitution is a powerful statement outlining the fundamental values, objectives, and principles of the Constitution. It was adopted on the day the Constitution came into effect, marking the birth of a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The Preamble is a promise of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, the pillars upon which the world's largest democracy stands. The Preamble reminds us that we are a nation of people united by shared values and ideals, striving together for a better tomorrow. It is the guiding light that leads the way, a beacon of hope in the heart of every Indian.